Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today our topic is future indefinite tense and we will be focusing on the functions. The first function is to say what we expect to happen in the future. That is, we make predictions. It will take 50 years for temperatures to return to normal. Hazrat Israfil alayhi salam will blow the bugle. All the human beings will walk out of their graves. Good people will go to Jannah. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will serve water from the pond of Kausar. All of these are telling us about what is expected to happen in the future. So all of these sentences are future indefinite tense sentences, and the function that they are performing is that they are telling us about something that is going to happen in the future. Function number 2, we use definitely, probably, possibly, etc. to show how certain or uncertain we are. Of course, future has not come. We are just expecting that this is going to happen. So that expectation can be low or high. When we are uncertain, we use possibly, might. When we are less certain, we use probably, likely, or unlikely. And when we are sure, when we are certain, we use definitely, certainly, undoubtedly. So these adverbs show how certain or uncertain we are about something that we expect to happen in the future. Let's look at examples. People will definitely work from home more in the future. Robots definitely won't replace all human jobs. Now, I expect you to pause the video here and form sentences, but I will show you pictures. So you can look at each picture and then say a sentence using the adverbs from here. Okay, now here is an extract from Quran. What will we do in Jannah? Truly, the muttaqoon, that is the pious and the righteous people, will be amidst gardens and water springs, that is paradise. It will be said to them, enter therein, that is the paradise, in peace and security, and we shall remove from their breasts any sense of injury that they may have. So they will be like brothers facing each other on thrones. No sense of fatigue shall touch them, nor shall they ever be asked to leave. In this text, you can see that shall has been used. So shall is used in very formal texts, specifically in Holy Scriptures. So here you can see we shall remove, fatigue shall touch them, no sense of fatigue shall touch them, nor shall they ever be asked to leave it. So shall is used in Holy Scriptures and very formal situations. The third use of future indefinite tense is to make social arrangements. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll call you when I reach the station. So these are social arrangements that you are making a promise that you are going to do this in the future. Function number 4, to make a promise, warning, give a warning, or threat. I submit my assignment on Tuesday. This is a promise. Be careful, you'll fall. That's a warning. I'll deal with you after the class. That's a threat. Now, it is your homework that you have to write 2 sentences for each function. Now, let's match these sentences with the correct option, promise, warning, or threat. I'll bring the soup for you tomorrow. Yes, it's a promise. Be careful, you'll catch cold. Correct, that's a warning. Stop or I'll shoot. Correct, that's a threat. I will help you with your homework. Right. I will get a better one. Correct. Beware, you will fall in the ditch. Right. I'll never talk to you if you lie. That's a threat. The 5th function is to make an offer. I'll carry the projector for you. Shall I carry it for you? So you're making these offers. And here you have used a question form beginning with shall. Shall I carry it for you? So you're actually making an offer to carry something for somebody. Now let's look at pictures, and you will say one sentence making an offer to the person. So this is a lady carrying a lot of books, a pile of books. So what would you say to her? So what's your offer? The 6th function is to state a formal rule. Students will wear lab coats in the science laboratory all the time. So this is a formal rule that is to be applied when the students are visiting the science laboratory. Students will wear lab coats in the science laboratory all the time. Now you should think of rules that teachers, lawyers, or drivers have to follow, and write down in your notebooks 2 rules that these people apply. You can even share your rules in the comments below, and I will respond to it, inshallah. That's all for today. Jazakallah. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.